I'm Meredith with ExtremeTerrain, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 17 by 9 inch wheels and 33 inch tires on a 1 to 2.5 inch lifted 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JK. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. This setup is popular with owners that have 1 to 2.5 inches of lift on their JK, as you can see from the pictures provided by JK owners. This wheel and tire combo will fit all 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JKs that have a 1 to 2.5 inch lift without needing to do any modifications. This is an ideal setup for those of you who want an aggressive stance with wider and slightly taller tires compared to your stock ones. The customers running this setup are a mix of those driving on and off-road. Running 33s with a 1 to 2.5 inch lift on your JK is absolutely fine for both on-road daily driving and off-roading. This setup is free from any rubbing on the suspension components and on the stock bumper. Stock Rubicons do have a slightly higher suspension, so you can expect a bit more clearance there. When driving with this setup off-road, you can expect to be free from any rubbing while driving on trails and also articulating while you're rock crawling. There are a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33 inch tire. When driving on road, the ride will feel a bit more sluggish with the 33s compared to the stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 2 to 3 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to the bigger tires. Not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind while they're driving. This can easily be corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune for your Jeep, which you can also find right here on the site. We also recommend an alignment after you've installed your new wheels and tires. Again, this setup of 33 inch tires with 17 by 9 inch wheels is very popular with our customers and will give your JK a much more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it very easy for you to get these on your JK. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then just have a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.